K2 verse 2012 Infiniti QX. Change the engine. It's not started. The code's as follows. Okay, I'm gonna try. I looped all the fuses. I looked them up. No blown fuse. ECM backup circuit is a battery voltage to the computer, to the ECM. So I'm gonna try to program it anyway. For programming, I'm gonna use this little OTAC machine. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in right now. It's in, and we have a machine going. It's a 2012 QX56. Okay, let's go. 2012 QX56. Okay. Infiniti. Okay. By vehicle. Okay, by vehicle QX56 12 kilos. Yes, kilos. Ignition off. Okay. Program keys. New pin code. Old pin code, new pin code. It's a new pin code situation. Success. Okay. So it keeps turning ignition on. It's just gonna turn the ignition on. Yeah, ignition goes on. Turn ignition on, okay. Turn ignition off. Oh, the light went off just now. The security light went off. Okay, just now. Okay, turn ignition off. Demo will blink several seconds. Okay, so that's what it's looking for. I need to turn on, and it's got to flash 5 times, and it program. Okay, now I can turn it off and turn it back on. Okay, turn it back on, and the security light should be out, and it is out. Alright, that's how we program Nissans using the OTAC and the new. Okay, no. Remove the ignition. Okay, automatically. Okay, now I check the remote control. Still working. Ignition goes on. No security light. And we're good to crank that new engine that just installed. Alright, if you like it, subscribe it and tell your friend. Always tell your friend. Thank you.